she hit me up and she said that she's thinking of naming her newborn child Ejemito Chukwu. Come on, say that name with me. Ejemito Chukwu. Good. So I'm not 100% sure of Nika's background, but if she's not Igbo and she's choosing a Nigerian name for an Igbo name for her child, I think that's awesome. If she is and she wants to continue with the culture and tradition, that's awesome as well too. So this is amazing. I'm grateful that, you know, I'm able to help people understand more about their roots and things like that, right? So, okay, so let's translate that name together. Ejemito Chukwu. So, Ejem, well, Ije means like to go or to walk or something like that. Yeah, so that sounds like I'm going, right? That M sound at the end. So